So today we are going to learn text classification using Hugging Face API. We're gonna fetch the API from the Hugging Face. So what is a Hugging Face? Hugging Face is basically an AI repository on which the researchers from all around the world deploy models, and you can use all those models for free. Yeah, there are limitations and credits, free credits available, and you got to pay at certain points. But yeah, you can use those Hugging Face models. So we're gonna see how this Hugging Face works. So I've opened this website, and from here what are we gonna do is we're gonna use the text classification model. So what is the text classification model basically gonna do is it is gonna classify our text. It is gonna read the type of the text, and then it is gonna tell us that whether our text is positive or negative. So first of all, let's load a text classification model. So we are gonna click on text classification model, and this is basically gonna show us a list of different text classification models. There are 52,173 text classification models, and you can download all of these models, and then you can check out. So we're gonna actually use this model. Let's use this model. So we're gonna click on it, and then click use in transformers, and from here you can actually use this transformer, and you can inside the pipeline you can input your model, and that's how it works. So let's start. We pip install transformers, then pip install datasets. This actually installs the required module, and after that what do we do is import transformers. From transformers import pipeline. So what is a pipeline? A pipeline is basically a pre-built software, a pre-constructed software, and what does it do is it actually allows us to connect our runtime code with the Hugging Face API. So what have I done is inside of our function pipeline I've provided this model, and then inside that pipe I've given an argument. This movie is very boring, and we're gonna classify this text, and how it has classified this text. The label of the text is negative, and the score for the negativity is 89.3. So it is showing that there are 89% chances that this text is negative. What if we do not supply any model? So what happens is, let me show you. If we do not provide a model here, what Hugging Face does is by default it chooses a text classification model on its own, and through that model now it is showing that it has chosen this model, case and case pointing SST2 English, and now then it actually classifies our text. So let's use another example in which we give two sentences, and we want to classify these two sentences. So one is a positive sentence and the other is a negative sentence. This restaurant is awesome, this restaurant is awful. So again we didn't provide any model here to analyze the sentiment. So what happened is that it chose by default a model, and then it showed that the first sentence is positive and the score for positivity is 99.9%, and the second sentence is negative and the score for the negativity is 99.9%. So you can use different Hugging Face models and you can experiment them out. It is a free to use website, and in which there are lots of models from big fintech and FAANG companies, and also big technology companies that are emerging. So these models are being uploaded every single day, and that is it from this video. Peace out.